Friday!
Yeah, yay! It's Friday! So, pang dalawahan siya. Then ito single. Ombra. Gallery. You're Mexican?
No.
Welcome back to our channel. Happy Friday!
Happy Friday!
Yeah, yay! It's Friday! Today's video, mag-hugol tayo ng Daiso shopping haul. Kasi pumunta kami guys ng Daiso. Nag-shop kami ni Mr. after ng work. Pet food bowl. Ayan. Nasa $6 ito. And then, yung set or 2 bowls. Ayan. Kasi tatlo yung kitty namin guys. So, ito, pang dalawahan siya. And then, ito single. Ito nasa $8. Not bad, maganda. Ipakita ko mamaya sa inyo guys. Then next, bumili ako. Ayan. Ito yung paborito namin ni Mr. na Little Jasmine. Yung white beet. What is it? White peach black tea. Masarap ito guys, yung Little Jasmine. Ayan, dalawa. Then, snackies for snackies. Bumili kami ng ganito, Sanrio characters, cookies. And, ayan. Pretzels. And, gummies. Peach gummy. And, chewy bites. For the kids. For the kiddos. And then, gummy jelly grape flavor. Ayan. Ayan, ito. Masarap ito. May panda na ano. Hello Panda. Cookies din. Then, isa pang pretzels. And then, Haribo. Ito try namin ni Mr. Yung gummy na Happy Cola. Ayan, cola. Haribo. Masarap yan. Ayan, cookies and cream wafer bites. Ayan, piraso para sa mga bata. And stickers. Ayan, Sanrio stickers para sa mga bata. And then, binilhan ko rin siya ng Time Candy Funny and Games. Ayan. Ano siya? Set ng spoon and chopstick. And then, dalawang ay, ito pa pala. Parang ano siya, pouch siya na princesses. Kasi mahilig siya sa princesses. And then, dalawang bags. Yan lang siya. So, ang total na binayaran ni Mr. is nasa $56.08. Ayan, thank you my love. Si Mr. nagbayad niya. Yan lang yung haul natin ng Daiso. Open natin to guys, yung pet food bowl na nabili namin ni Mr. Ayan. Ang dalawa.
Monkey head.
This one. Yan yung lalagyan niya.
And another kitty head. And the stand.
Yung stand niya. Not bad, $8 for that.
Put it in like this.
Ganyan siya, guys.
These are for the two big ones.
Picture kitty.
And this one is for the little one.
Kay Mini, and then kay Marley and Baby. Set up natin, guys. So, ito na siya, guys. Come on, guys. So, yan yung kay Mini. And then yung dalawa dyan, Marley and Izzy. Marley, what's wrong? And Mini, go eat your food. Now Marley is eating and Izzy. You like it? Good job.
Even though you're on the wrong spot, Marty.
Goodie bags. Snacky bag. Then ito yung isa para sa mga bata. So ito pala nabili namin sa Costco, guys. I-try natin yan mamaya. Yung frames na to. Lagay natin sa wall. Nanonood pala kami, guys, ni Mr. ng How to Train Your Dragon, The Hidden World. Kasi papanoorin namin sa theater yung How to Train Your Dragon on this coming Friday. Yung actual talaga na film. We're gonna do the frames today?
Yeah, we're gonna be unboxing frames today. We bought a while ago.
Let's go unbox it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get this.
No, we don't use yours. Yeah, we can do this like this. It's a 7-in-1 piece.
That we got from Costco.
Yeah.
I don't want to mess up my nails.
Wow, I think. Unboxing of the
Ombra Gallery frames from Costco.
cardboard.
What the heck? There is a hair inside.
What the heck?
Whose hair is this? What is going on?
That's probably yours.
No.
Another cardboard. So, here's frame number 1. Next one. It's a little bit bigger frame.
What size is this?
This is probably a 4x6. It's probably a 5x7.
Their sizes are
Number 3 would be this one. Or probably another 5x7. Yeah, looks like it.
there's another one.
Another one. Probably 4x6.
It says a set of 7.
Another one.
Not bad. How much is it?
Like $31.
31 or 39?
I don't know, 30 something.
Another one.
Another one.
And
We got the big one. That's probably maybe a 10x12 maybe.
Ta-da! It is a, I think 11 by 14.
Oh, 11 by 14, okay. I don't know my sizes.
That is 7 in black color. And Happy bought this ayan, personalized labels. So to label the containers, like anything that you want to label. How much was this, my love?
$29.
$29. And then push pins.
Those were $2.
Yeah. So these are the frames, guys. Ito na lahat. Palitan namin yung mga lumang frames namin sa wall. Ayan yung pinakamalaki. Yeah, so
they are different. They should be all different
we're gonna
sizes.
put our pictures right there. I will show you guys later kung tapos na kami mag-set up. Wow!
Is it okay?
What can you say, guys? Tapos na, guys. Ito yung frames na nabili namin sa Costco. Family frame na nabili namin sa Amazon before. Tagal na to. Ayan na siya. Mag-aalas 8 na pala, guys. 7:48 na dito ng gabi. Pero maliwanag pa sa labas. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. Maliwanag pa yan sa labas. Maliwanag pa sa labas. Tapon ni Mr. yung basura niya. Bye. See you later.
Bye,
alligator. Mr. Tapon niya yung box.
The next day.
So, ipakita ko lang sa inyo, guys. Yung agua chili na ginawa ng coworker ko. Ayan. Isang bowl talaga, guys. Ayan. Ginawa niya yan. Nagbayad lang kami $15. Pero, imagine $15 ang laki. So, and then, bumili si Mr. ng tostadas. Ito yung magiging dinner namin. Kakauwi lang pala namin, guys, from work. Ayan. Then, ang init today. Nasa 70s pero ang init. So, ito pala. May binili rin sa akin si Mr. Ayan. Isang box ng mini muffin bites. Ayan. From Costco. Ay, ang gulo ang... So, currently, it's 5:21. Alas 5 off ko. At saka yung kay Mr. is 4:45. Pero, same lang kami. Ayan. Ito yung itsura niya, guys, ng agua chili. At saka, binili. Tortilla. Ayan. Yung tostadas. Yung dry tortilla. Ito yung magiging dinner namin. Mabango. Masarap siya. I love Mexican foods. Bobby, we're gonna eat some agua chilies for dinner.
Same there with wifey.
Yeah, we're gonna have it for dinner. Thank you.
Done.
Gonna have our tea. Let's see if Bobby will like it. that. Okay.
Let's go.
It's it, guys.
Okay, love. Let's eat.
Good. Crunchy, huh? Not too spicy, huh? Love it. You're Mexican?
No. But
You
I
love
was raised by a
Mexican?
Mexican.
Your stepdad, huh? I love Mexican food.